This is your elbow side plank. I'm gonna come on down, set my elbow to be directly underneath my shoulder. Now my legs, I'm gonna extend straight out, and they're in line with my shoulder, hip, and knee. They're not over in front, and they're not in back. So keep that in mind. That needs to stay consistent the entire time in the exercise. So what's going to happen is that you're going to pull your hips up off the ground, pressing into that elbow, making sure that your shoulder and your ear are far apart so you don't want to sink into the shoulder. Also, my chest is going to be pulled back and put my hand on my hip. Now, you have some options here. If this is feeling a little bit hard, what I want you to do is to just bend that bottom knee here, press that top foot down, and you come into that same side plank. Sometimes that's what I need in order to feel my obliques on the side here and to keep my chest back. Now another option, if the feet don't feel comfortable stacked like this, another way to do it is to bring one foot in front, drawing in the abs, pressing through that elbow, everything else stays the same. What I want you to be conscious of is not turning over like this. You want to keep your spine as straight as possible, keeping a nice straight line from your head all the way down to your toe. And that is your side plank.
Most people don't work on their dreams. Why? One is because of fear. The fear of failure. What if things don't work out? And the fear of success. What if they do and I can't handle it? The other thing is that most people, ladies and gentlemen, they get comfortable. They stop growing, they stop working on themselves, they stop stretching, they stop pushing themselves, and they end up becoming very cynical about life, and they throw in the towel on themselves, and on their families, and on their dreams. And the other thing is that most people don't feel worthy. What I'm doing now, I could have been doing years ago. But because I did not have a college education, because I didn't believe in myself, because I allowed other people's opinion of me to control my destiny, I didn't act on my ideas. So I applaud you for your dreaming, for your running toward your dream. I applaud you for believing in yourself.